Hey guys, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I create my go-to very soft and easy everyday cat eye. It's very gentle, doesn't involve any eyeliner or anything like that, just a little shadow and mascara. And yeah, it's super simple, so easy. I'm going to be focusing only on the eyes, not going to show you what I use on the rest of my face. But other than that, if you want to see how to create this soft cat eye, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start by using a eyeshadow base. This is a new product that I've been using ever since I got it. I got it like 2 weeks ago in PR by Sigma, and this is their eyeshadow base primer. So it's like an eyeshadow stick, and it's like a cream eyeshadow. You can use it as an eyeshadow just on its own or as a base for your eyeshadow. It really does work. It prevents my eyeshadow from creasing. Sometimes I use it with eyeshadow on top of it, so just I set it with an eyeshadow and it makes the eyeshadow stick to it, makes the eyeshadow look more vibrant and last longer and prevents it from creasing. But sometimes I just use it on its own like that, and it's just such a great like cream shadow. It doesn't crease, doesn't do any of that, and you can see that it really conceals any veins in discoloration, so it's really opaque and you need just a tiny bit, and it's so smooth and soft, blends so easily. I love this product. I'm going to link it down below, and I've used the color Persuade and just applied it all over my lid. This is going to be my base color. Now I'm going to be moving on to the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette, and with my Sigma 825 blending brush I'm going to be taking Toasty, which is this soft like warm brown shade, tapping off the excess. I'm going to be using this color in my crease, just going back and forward, blending it inwards and upwards kind of messily to create a wash of color. And on this outer edge I'm just going to work this color outwards as well, because we are going for a cat eye shape, more elongated shape, so you want to focus the color on this outer edge as well, but make sure to blend it out really well and use a very soft hand for that, so you won't have any harsh edges. I'm also going to take the same color under my eye with the same blending brush like that. Then I'm going to be creating the kind of soft cat eye effect that's on the upper lash line and the outer edge right here. I'm going to start with the color Henna, which is this warm brownish, like a burnt brown color, and with the Sigma, not Sigma, this is the MAC 219 pencil brush. I'm going to be taking this color close to the lash line on the outer third of the eye like that, and then I'm just going to be kind of blending it and sweeping it outwards on this outer edge. I just got a little smudge, so I'm just gonna smudging it on this outer edge, just as kind of a smoky liner kind of type of shape, and going outwards and just kind of smoking in, that's a new word, smoking in the outer lash line kind of right here. Then I'm going to be taking a black color, just any black eyeshadow, with my Sigma E65 small angled brush, and I'm going to be going from the center of the upper lash line out and kind of just applying this black eyeshadow close to the lash line, just tracing, what's going on today? Can't talk. Tracing my upper lash line with it. And then on this outer edge, I'm going to go with the shape that I just created with the brown color and connect the edge of it with the liner, the shadow liner that's on my lid. So I'm kind of creating a winged liner shape with the black eyeshadow like that. Now, because I want it to be very soft and not as precise, I'm going to be taking a pointed kind of precise blending brush. This is E45 by Sigma, and I'm just, with a clean brush, I'm just going to go back and forward and blend out this liner. So you can see I'm just going in back and forth stroke motions, nothing too special. And I'm just going with a soft hand, taking my time and just blending it like this to smoke it out and make it look a lot softer, like so. Once we have that shape, I want the lower part of it to be a little bit more sharp. So I'm going to be taking Humble from the same Sigma palette with a MAC 252 flat brush. And I'm going to be just cleaning out this outer edge and make it look a little bit sharp by applying the light shade underneath. I'm also going to take the same color under my eyebrow to highlight, and then with Charmer and the same brush, I'm just going to kind of messily apply that all around my tear duct just to highlight the inner corner a little bit. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to take a little bit under my eyebrow as well again. And then I'm just going to be emphasizing only the very base of the lashes with a black eyeshadow and small angle brush again, creating just a tiny, soft, thin shadow liner right here, just to emphasize the lash line itself, like so. Now I'm going to be just curling my lashes and applying mascara, but with the mascara, I'm going to do a little trick as well that is going to help the eye shape look a little more cat eye. So I am going to be applying mascara only on my top lashes. You can see I don't have any mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm using the MAC Extreme Dimension Black Lash mascara, and I'm going to be taking the lashes outwards. So I'm going to be applying the mascara with kind of sweeping the lashes outwards on an angle like that. So instead of going like upwards, I'm just going outwards. And that way the lashes are going to be catching the shape like that. And then once the mascara is dry, they're going to be facing like on an angle outwards. And that is going to help the eye look a little bit more cat eye as well, kind of slanted and elongated. Just creates this kind of effect. So doing it like this, brushing them outwards like that. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you like how it looks like and that you will try it out. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, click that little bell button to get notified every time I upload a video, which is usually twice a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays. But lately I've been kind of not lazy, but I don't have ideas. I'm out of ideas, out of inspiration. I don't know what to do, so I'm only uploading once a week. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. It would really help. I would really appreciate it. And of course, make sure to follow me on all the other social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I am active on those. On Instagram especially, I upload every day. So make sure to check that out. A link is going to be down below in the description bar of this video, as well as a list of all the products that I used to create this look. And yeah, I hope you have a great week, and I'm going to talk to you all next time. Bye.